This is just a short demo showing some of the features of the new V2 Z80 board. The new additions are there's an LED which is active when the board has control of the bus. The green LED here is when the board is accessing the onboard ROM, which is here. It's a 28C64 ROM in this particular case. And this LED here tells you whether it's accessing the lower or upper 4K of this ROM. Right now it's on, so we're accessing the lower 4K of the ROM itself. The monitor itself is signed on like this. You can see the available commands by hitting the K command, and you can see the C command in this particular case would actually allow you to bring up CP/M off the floppy disk. If we switch to the upper 4K ROM by the XH command, you're now on the higher page of the ROM, and if you use the K command, you can see now that the C command has been changed to activate the X modem code. The X modem code will allow you to download a file from an over serial port, typically from a PC, to anywhere actually in memory. If we go over to our PC, where we would have in this particular example, I actually have the monitor which I have set up at assembled for 100H in ROM. I would assemble it in the CP/M emulator with a submit command. Master. Oh, wrong. We've now made a .com file which is moved into the same folder where the original program is. I use the APSO Telnet to serially send it over the serial link, so transfer using X modem protocol, and a master.com file open to send it. So it's now ready to send it through the serial link, which is on the serial board here of this 100 system. So a C command, and I want it at 100H in RAM, and you can see it's downloaded in RAM. You can check that it actually loaded okay. For example, if you use a G100, you would actually jump to the monitor, which is now at 100H in RAM. You need to reset again, for example. All the other commands are there. For example, to load CP/M, you use the P command. It's loaded on the ID board. You can see, interesting enough, now the upper address line, the ROM is no longer being addressed, and in fact the upper address line, because we're using bank CP/M, address line 16 is being activated in this particular case. All the other aspects of the board are pretty much as described in the original Z80 board.